Well, for a detailed look of the Halloween weather across the nation, I'm joined by our senior meteorologist, Rob Sharpe. Now, Rob, what's the latest on these thunderstorms that are coming through?
Well, some of them are severe already this afternoon. We're keeping a close eye on it in Queensland in particular, where we've had a number of thunderstorms taking shape through the southeast coast and the Wide Bay Burnett areas in particular, where you can see on the radar quite a few thunderstorm cells labelled severe by the Bureau of Meteorology through northern and western parts of Brisbane and areas a little bit further north towards the Sunshine Coast. So quite a few significant cells right now, and as you can see, a fairly sizable warning area as well from the Bureau for damaging wind, heavy rain and large hail. But it's not just there that we're keeping an eye on the thunderstorms. They're also active in New South Wales' west at the moment, and they're starting to push further eastward. So you can see multiple lines of wet weather sliding east, even a couple developing through inland parts of the Illawarra. We've got a couple of fresh thunderstorms there, and so through the remainder of today we're going to see quite a few more showers and thunderstorms impacting on people as they head out and about through eastern New South Wales and eastern parts of Queensland through the remainder of today. So for the east coast, it's the evening hours that look to be the wettest, and that includes Sydney, where trick-or-treaters should be okay unless they're staying out right through till sunset or even a little bit later when the rain is more likely. So
where are these trick-or-treaters getting a little bit wet, Rob?
Well, they've already been wet this afternoon in Victoria. There's our severe storm map for today, I should have pointed out as well. But you can see for Victoria, we've had that rain band come through for Melbourne, for example. That line of wet weather sweeping south and east across the state with a few showers and thunderstorms peppering areas further north. So Melbourne's picked up 1 millimetre, Ballarat 3, but it seems to be mostly done now for Melbourne. So they might get off scot-free if they're out and about through the afternoon hours when most trick-or-treaters do head out. Meanwhile, to the west of the country, it's dry for now in Perth, but there's a few showers starting to take shape through the southwest. For Perth itself, the rain is most likely to be coming through around mid this evening, so they should be all right if you're trick-or-treating in Perth this afternoon.
Now, looking into tomorrow, how concerned should we be about these thunderstorms?
Yeah, we should be pretty concerned. This is one of the most dangerous thunderstorm days we've seen for quite a few years, I'd say, through southeastern Queensland and far northern New South Wales. So anywhere in the red has the potential for severe thunderstorms, damaging wind, heavy rain, large hail, but in particular areas north of about Armidale and south of about Bundaberg, there's potential not just for those regular severe weather elements, but for the high-end severe weather elements. So we're talking destructive wind gusts above 125 kilometres an hour, giant hail due to the powerful uplift in the atmosphere. So you can see lots of purple shading indicating that the updrafts within any thunderstorms are going to be strong enough to sustain large to giant hail. And there's also potential for heavy rainfall to potentially even become intense rainfall with life-threatening flash flooding. That's more likely into the evening hours as humidity looks to build and the daytime temperature eases back. So you can see for tomorrow, we'll start off with storms even from mid-morning, possibly severe for northern New South Wales. The threat will gradually shift a little ways further northwards and ease for New South Wales into the nighttime. But that's when the rain will probably be at its heaviest for parts of southeast Queensland. Now, it's going to be a little bit more hit and miss than what that model is suggesting, or even this model here, which you can see is indicating at least initially hit and miss thunderstorm activity. But even this one, because there's so much potential in the atmosphere, it actually picks a really powerful line of thunderstorms. I think it will be separate thunderstorms and there will be some gaps in that wet weather, but it does look, regardless, to be a very dangerous day and one for people to prepare their homes for across southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales.
Yes, absolutely. Rob Sharpe, thank you for the update.